If you watch a lot of videos, you might find this channel is pretty keen on collecting familiar products with unusual forms. So today we got a special monitor, the InnoView 15.6-inch folding portable duo. It has two 1080p IPS screens for display expansion, and it only needs one USB-C cable to drive both of them at the same time. Importantly, it not only supports a Windows system, but it's also perfectly compatible with macOS. And it's also surprising that this 15-inch dual-panel monitor only weighs 1,600 grams. It's even lighter than some single-panel portable monitor. The InnoView dual-screen monitor comes in a solid packaging that could be safe for long delivery, but the internal accessories are anything but simple. The package includes a fully featured USB C to C cable, another Type-C charging cable, a USB-A cable, and an HDMI cable. It seems to consider all the connections and prepare well for users under different use scenarios. Most devices would find the right way to work with the monitor here. Apart from the cables, there's also a power adapter and a cloth for cleaning. The InnoView is a dual-screen monitor, so if you're not looking closer, I'd think it was a laptop. The monitor shell is in a blue-gray color, and the surface has a fine metallic finish that is virtually fingerprint-proof, which is very nice. The exterior looks very much like a Japanese branded business laptop due to its glossy metal logo and somewhat soft edges. Anyway, I'm quite satisfied with the familiar design. In terms of body materials, the InnoView monitor shell is mainly made of plastic. The ports and buttons are designed on both sides of the machine, which can be addressed in a very convenient way. And there's a folding stand at the bottom of the machine, which I can easily fix it at any angle to use it. And at the same time, no matter how I place the monitor, there are rubber feet in the corresponding position to protect the monitor, which is very good. There are also VESA holes on the bottom, so if I want to keep it on one place for a long time, the VESA stand would be a good choice. The spider design of the InnoView dual-screen monitor is the same as most laptops, but the difference is that the InnoView supports an angle range of about 315 degrees, which is very nice. I'm very happy with the clever details, not just easy to use, but it's really strong enough for a portable monitor. My favorite thing about the InnoView monitor is that the angles can be changed at my will. Whether I'm sitting or standing, I can always find a comfortable angle. Even though the InnoView monitor still has two built-in 1.5-watt speakers, it's not a hard shortage to accept. On the contrary, we still appreciate the effort they put into the limited space inside for optimal portability. As for display quality, the 15.6-inch 1080p is sharp enough, and the IPS panel gives a very good viewing angle when I put this monitor next to my main monitor, even though it's not right in front of my eyes. This is where the IPS significantly improves the viewing experience. What surprised me was the very narrow bezel here, which may be common for laptops, but in a portable monitor market, the InnoView screen bezels can be quite stunning. In terms of color, as stated on the packaging, the InnoView monitor looks vivid and the visual experience is excellent for viewing images and videos. It's worth mentioning that the default color temperature of the monitor is a bit warm, so if you don't like the warm colors, you can manually address it in the settings. The screen's color coverage is great with good accuracy as a portable model. It covers a 120% sRGB color gamut and a color accuracy with a good Delta E performance. So after using it for the whole week, I'm good with it for my daily work, such as some image processing and color tuning. InnoView uses anti-glare as a panel surface, which in my opinion is a smart choice, as the InnoView monitor can be carried around in a folded state to protect the screen. No need to use a hard surface to protect the display like a regular portable monitor. And meanwhile, the anti-glare surface allows for a consistent viewing experience when the two screens are at different angles. In terms of user experience, the InnoView monitors do a great job. If you have a device with a full-function Type-C port, then it's very easy to connect the two monitors with just one cable. If you want to achieve maximum screen brightness, you can plug in another cable for power supply. Of course, this requires the installation of drivers, but don't worry about that. When connecting a device that doesn't have the driver installed, it will load a disk with the drivers for Windows and macOS respectively, install and then reboot the computer, so it's that simple. When carrying on the go, my backpack makes it very easy to store both the InnoView monitor and my laptop, and I don't need to carry too many cables. The high-quality Type-C cable included in the package is ready enough for both charging as well as image and sound connectivity. Most importantly, the dual screens are truly making some of my work more effective. When doing video editing, I'll be editing on the main screen and browsing through footage or doing research on the secondary screen. Thanks to the built-in gyroscope, it's very easy to view web content when doing web editing by simply turning around the screen. And of course, when it comes to gaming, I can watch tips while doing so. The InnoView monitor also serves as a primary monitor when using devices without built-in screens, such as a mini PC. Overall, I really like the special InnoView monitor. It's light enough, well-made, has a good display, and supports one cable to connect. In short, it's a great monitor for multitasking users. Personally, I did feel the InnoView's designer's effort in helping improve productivity. So that's all interesting about the InnoView 15-inch folding portable dual monitor. Hope you like it. If you are interested in this monitor, you can head to the link down below to learn more. This is Will from Gizmochina. See you next time.